Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg, a luxury SUV that blends German engineering with modern technology. Whether you're looking for a comfortable family hauler, a stylish road tripper, or a powerful performance machine, the new Touareg promises to deliver. Let's get into the details and see if this SUV lives up to expectations, starting with the exterior. The 2025 Volkswagen Touareg has received some notable updates. The front fascia now features a sharper, more aggressive grille with a sleek illuminated VW logo. The redesigned LED matrix headlights offer better visibility while giving the SUV a bold, futuristic look. The sculpted hood and prominent body lines enhance its athletic stance, making it look both powerful and refined. Moving to the side profile, the new 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels add to its presence, while the streamlined roofline improves aerodynamics. At the rear, the updated LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, giving it a high-end feel. The quad exhaust tips on the sportier trims emphasize performance, while the overall design remains elegant and sophisticated. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Touareg is a true highlight. Volkswagen has focused on luxury and technology, making this cabin one of the most comfortable in its class. The premium materials, including high-quality leather, brushed aluminum, and open-pore wood trims, create a high-end atmosphere. The seats are redesigned for better support, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions for the ultimate driving comfort. The dashboard is dominated by the new Innovision cockpit, featuring a massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a 12-inch digital driver's display. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with an upgraded voice control system. The ambient lighting, customizable with multiple color options, enhances the premium feel. Rear passengers get plenty of space, and with the optional panoramic sunroof, the cabin feels open and airy. The cargo area is generous, providing ample room for luggage, and the rear seats fold down for even more storage. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Touareg comes with multiple powertrain options. The base model features a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engine, producing around 340 horsepower, delivering smooth acceleration and strong towing capability. For those who want more efficiency, Volkswagen offers a plug-in hybrid variant that combines a V6 engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 455 horsepower while offering a decent electric-only range. The top-of-the-line R model takes things up a notch with sportier tuning, enhanced suspension, and sharper handling. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent grip in various driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension provides a comfortable ride, while allowing drivers to adjust the height for off-road adventures or highway cruising. As for pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg starts at around $60,000, and for the base model, while the higher-end trims, including the hybrid and R models, can reach up to $85,000, and with all the premium options. Given its blend of luxury, technology, and performance, the pricing is competitive within the luxury SUV market. So, is the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg worth it? If you're looking for a premium SUV with advanced features, strong performance, and a refined design, then this could be the perfect choice. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you consider buying the new Touareg? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.